Hey guys, welcome back to D&M Toy Club. Today we have a brand new toy tool set. This is a tool set I just got in and I'm going to do a neat toy review. You guys have to check this out. Alright guys, so we got this brand new set of tool toys. We're going to open this baby up. These look so exciting. We've got all kinds of wrenches, we got our seat clamps, we have a brand new drill with this adjustable handle. We even have some tape measures and even some new tools we are going to take a look at. So let's get this thing open. This thing is huge. It comes in two different, look at all these tools. You have that row of tools, and then we have another row of tools inside. Let's take a look inside. Whoa, there's another hammer, and we've got, oh, really cool. We've got a spade. I'm going to show you this one. Alright guys, so we have our brand new set. This is the first of the two different sets that are together. There's the first set, and let's take a look at, here's the second one. Wow, this is actually one of the coolest ones we've gotten yet. There's a lot of different sets that we've looked at on our channel. This one, I'd have to say this one's actually really, really cool. This has a drill with this super hard handle. We're going to take a look at all of these different tools and let's take a look at them. Alright, so let's put that one to the side. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take a look at this one. Of course, we're going to start with the hammer. This one is actually really, really realistic. This is like a wooden handle. This one here. Alrighty guys, so we got the hammer here, which is really realistic because like I was mentioning before, it looks like wood. And it's got the two sides. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Alright, so let's take a look at our next tool. This, pop it out. This is a level, and a level actually measures how straight an object is. So let's show an example. This is a piece of wood. It came with the set. Wow, that's really realistic too. You can see that has like wood grains in it. That looks exactly like a real piece of wood. This is a really cool set. I didn't realize how cool. Alright, so you take a level, and when you want to make sure that the wood that you're working with is even, and it's not sideways, you have to use a level. And the level, see that little ball goes back and forth? Whenever something is leveled, that ball will be right in the middle. Right? So let's see if we can do that here. Oh, okay, see that's a little off. And then you get it to right to the point where it sits in the middle, yep, and it's leveled. So that is a level. Alright, so we have our realistic looking piece of wood. Alright, remember this is plastic, but man, does that look so real. Look at the wood grains. Alright, so let's take a look at one of our screws. These screws will go right in to the wood. We can start it with our hands, right? But we have to finish it with, let's get our tool that we need. Alright, so now we can get our wrench. See the two different sizes on this wrench? You got one on this side and one on this side. So you start your screw in the hole, and then you want to put this right on the top and turn it, right? So remember, you got to turn it to the right. Move this way, and that tightens it, okay? See it coming through in the bottom? If you want to loosen it and take out the screw, you simply put it on there, and you want to go counterclockwise to the left. Well, this one we want to go this way, so let's do that. So we want to turn that in and tighten it that way with our wrench. And see it coming through in the bottom? Now, what we can do two different ways. We can take our lug nut, our bolt, right? Now we can either put it here on the bottom and tighten it up. Right? You can put it on the bottom. Now that reinforces it, makes it nice and strong on the bottom. Or we can take this out. And while we take it out, take it to the other side. I'll show you. You can put it on the top. You can put it right here. So let's take that out and let's take a look at what we can do with that. All right, so here's the bolt, right? You can put it on top. Then we put this through the top part. Let's put that on there first. See? And then put it in the wood. There's two different ways you can do that. And either way, it doesn't really matter because it tightens it up. Check that out. That's pretty neat, huh? All right, cool. So we have our screw and our bolt. We have our lug nut. So let's take a look at this tool. What do you think we do with this? Check that out. That is really weird looking, right? That's different. What do you think you do with that one? Well, when you want to build a house, you have to put cement. You got to put concrete cement in between the different blocks. This you can take and you can spread. You can use this to spread the concrete, right? The cement between each of the blocks. So let's say this was our piece of wood. We use this and we pick up some of the cement and then you just simply spread it on there, just like this. So it spreads it onto the top, and then you can put a second piece of wood on top and it sticks together. So that's a real handy dandy tool right there. Definitely different. So guys, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take a look at the other set. So you got to check out our other video because we're going to take a look at the rest of the tools. And remember,